Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson S14 vacuum cleaner and place it on a flat surface. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 2 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Now you will see the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by pulling it straight out. If you encounter any resistance, check for any additional clips that may be holding it in place. Once disconnected, take your new battery and align the connector with the socket. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely connected. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. If you notice any significant buildup, consider using a small brush to remove it. After cleaning, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is flush against the vacuum to prevent any gaps. If you find this process challenging or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the battery replacement, ensuring everything is done correctly. Once the cover is secured, plug in your vacuum and allow it to charge for a few hours before the first use. This will help the new battery calibrate properly. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll take care of everything for you. Just schedule a time that works for you, and we'll handle the rest. Finally, if you're unsure about the battery type or need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide you with a detailed quote before any work is done, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can enhance its performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself, or you can take advantage of our professional services for a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.